What is ear training, and how is it going to help me as a musician? Hi, I'm Stephanie, a teacher at Hoffman Academy. Simply put, ear training is training your mind to hear and understand relationships between notes. At Hoffman Academy, it's something that is integrated into our curriculum from the very beginning. As your ear training develops, you'll be able to look at notes on a piece of sheet music and have a good sense of what the music will sound like before you even play it. Over time, you can train your ear and memory to recognize different musical elements, such as intervals, chord types, and chord progressions, so that they can be recalled and anticipated when practicing or performing. Want to learn songs by ear, or develop the ability to quickly play a chord progression or melody that you heard on the radio? It all starts with simple ear training. So, want to get started with some really simple ear training? Have a friend or family member play a simple melody of 2 or 3 notes on the piano and then try to repeat it. You can even limit them to a small range of notes in order to keep things simple. You can add more notes as you get comfortable. Be sure not to look, just listen. We'll show you how this works. I'm going to play 3 notes in the C major pentascale, and my friend Rochelle is going to figure out what I played. Nice. I'll play 1 more and you can try it at your keyboard. If you have a fun game or idea for your ear training, tell us about it in the comments section. Happy practicing! Hey, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so we know you want to see more topics like this one. We've got a whole team of music teachers answering questions and bringing you awesome lessons and tutorials every week. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. If you are looking to learn a new song today, you can start by clicking the link down here. Happy practicing, and see you next time.